welcome to Eastern Model Bio. In this video, I will be talking about Laura Sanchez Hernandez, biography, wiki, age, career, social handle and net worth. If you are new here, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all the new updates. Laura Sanchez Hernandez is a Colombian model, Instagram star, and TikTok star. She is known for her posts about modeling, fashion outfits, POV, dancing, and more on social media. Laura Sanchez Hernandez has loved modeling since she was a child. She often participated in photo shoots and fashion shows while still in school. In 2013, she created an Instagram account. There, she shares content about modeling, fashion outfit, travel, lifestyle, summer outfits, and her daily activities. Not only Instagram, she also created a TikTok account that is used to share video content of dancing, lip sync, POV, and others. Laura managed to gain many followers on Instagram and TikTok. She is also contracted by many brands as a model. Hernandez is a private woman who does not want to share her personal life information with the public. Therefore, it is not known whether she is dating or not. Laura Sanchez Hernandez's net worth is around $100,000 to $1 million, which she earned from her modeling profession. She also earns from endorsements and brand promotions. Thanks for watching.